The first week of Lent, we talked about praying for people, and prayer should be a part of our Lenten journey. But this week, I'm going to challenge that a little bit and change it up about making praying with Scripture part of the journey. And in particular, I'm going to challenge you this week to pick one of the Passion narratives. That's Jesus from his Last Supper up to his crucifixion and death. You get to pick Matthew, Mark, Luke, or John, but to pick one of the Passion narratives and to read a part of it every day this week, ultimately to complete it by the end of the week. As we get ready to enter into Passiontide and Holy Week, it's great to focus on the love Jesus poured out by sacrificing himself for us and what that can do to inspire us to learn to live not for ourselves, but to learn to pour ourselves out for Jesus as well. So a little bit of the Passion narrative you get to pick each week, so by the end of the week, we've all been reminded of just how much Jesus has loved all of us.